Back in Sherman, Texas today for a tour of my latest listing. And man, I'm telling you, I've had folks from all over the country and even some folks from outside of the country that have been watching this channel hit me up or email me and say, hey, what's going on with Sherman, Texas? I'm hearing that this place is the next place to take off. I put my money where my mouth was and purchased a home right here in Sherman, Texas in 2018. And man, I'm glad I did because the area is growing rapidly. There are many great folks that live here, and it recently made national news as an upcoming hub for the semiconductor space where Texas Instruments is bringing 3,000 new jobs and Globotech is adding 1,500 jobs. Also, our neighboring town north of us in Denison just had a major announcement that Margaritaville Resort is bringing a $100 million resort right there to Denison. As you might imagine, that type of growth means the home values in the surrounding areas are increasing as well. And I'm telling you, our job as realtors in this area is becoming easier and easier by the year. So in this video, I'm taking you through my newest listing in Sherman, Texas. Before we get to the listing, we're getting into the big, and I mean big announcements for this area. Let's go and get started with some of the local attractions and some of the major announcements in this area. We can't mention local attractions in the Sherman, Denison, or general North Texas area without mentioning Lake Texoma. This is one of the largest man-made lakes in all of Texas and one of the largest reservoirs in the US. You can access the lake from the northwest side of Denison, and it's great for bass and striper fishing, water sports, jet skiing, boating, tubing, and camping. There's also great golfing over at Tanglewood. The lake is a staple for the general North Texas community. It's a great tourist spot and huge for the local economy. That area has so much intrigue that the city just approved the Preston Harbor development, a development that's expected to double Denison's population. This is a 3,100 acre community that will include retail, restaurants, boat slips, and a resort, and is led by none other than David Craig, the developer of the massively popular Craig Ranch in McKinney, Texas. This is a monumental project for North Texas and is one of the largest land purchases in Grayson County history. It's estimated that this project will bring around $6 billion in ad valorem value for the city of Denison. This home is less than 10 minutes away from Heyday. Heyday offers plenty of things to do for kids and adults. You have bowling, arcade, laser tag, you have a bar and restaurant, outdoor seating, live music, and it's a great place to watch Cowboys games or big UFC fights. It's right next to Urban Air. Urban Air is crazy fun for kids with trampolines everywhere, but it's also crazy overstimulating for parents. This listing is also just about 5 minutes away from the Sherman Town Center. In the Town Center, we have Cinemark theaters, plenty of retail stores here with Best Buy, Home Depot, and many clothing retailers. And of course, you must have a Chick-fil-A and Chipotle in your town centers. Denison's only about 20 to 30 minutes away from Choctaw Casino and Resort. This is truly a world-class casino in Durant. This is in the very southern tip of Oklahoma and one of the biggest draws for local attractions. You have 100 table games, 7,400 slot machines, a state-of-the-art poker room, 16 restaurants, 6 movie theaters, a massive arcade and sports bar. And for that weekend resort getaway, you can stay at the Sky Tower, where you can enjoy private cabanas, 1,700 hotel rooms, and a pool that you'd only see in Las Vegas, built by a local pool builder that grew up right here in Denison, Texas. In the Preston Harbor project, it was just announced by the city on December 19th, there has been an agreement for a $100 million Margaritaville resort to be built in the development and onto the lake. This resort will include between 250 and 280 hotel rooms and add about 300 jobs. More details of this project will be coming soon, but as you can imagine, this will transform the look and feel of this town. And if you know anything about the growth of a city, think about McKinney or Frisco spending the last 2 decades, you know this home is surely going to appreciate very well over the next 5 to 10 years. Moving over to the historic downtown area of Sherman, you're only about a 5-minute walk to the downtown area from this listing. Downtown Sherman hosts widely popular hot summer nights between June and August every year, on Thursdays of every week. Another benefit of purchasing this home is you're only about 10 minutes away from Texoma Medical Center, and this is the largest hospital from here to McKinney. Now that we've covered some of our nearby entertainment and major announcements of the area, let's go take a look at this beautiful home in Sherman, Texas. This home is a 2022 build with plenty of upgrades, including quartz countertops, extra cabinets added, spray foam insulation, and extended concrete in the backyard for entertainment. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open floor plan, and it provides convenient access to Highway 75 for your commute to work, walking distance to downtown Sherman for all the boutique shops and small restaurants, and near one of the middle schools here in Sherman. It offers nearly 1,500 square feet of living space, so it's perfect for a first-time home buyer, a family looking to downsize their home maintenance, or an investment home. This home is listed at $340,000. If you want to know more about this home, just email me the word address. My email address is pinned in the top comment below. Let's go ahead and have a look inside. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that house tour. I'm personally a fan of how close this is to the police station. It helps you feel a little safer. It's close to the highways and obviously close to the downtown area. Now that we've covered the house tour, let's take a look at what the monthly payments would look like. Full disclosure, I am a realtor, not a loan officer, obviously, so this is just using some basic math with an online calculator and current interest rates. At the time of making this video, rates are around 6.6%. If you were to make a conventional offer at asking price, putting 5% down, that's a $17,000 down payment on a 30-year fixed rate at 6.6%. This brings our principal and interest payment to $2,063. Taxes in 2022 were around $6,500 for the year. They'll go up around 10% in 2023, bringing us to an estimate of $600 a month in taxes. Again, this could be a little higher or lower depending on the tax value for 2023. Let's ballpark premium homeowners insurance at $260 a month. Again, this could go up or down depending on your insurance policy. And since we aren't putting 20% down, let's ballpark mortgage insurance at $240 a month as well. We're looking at a payment estimate of $3163 per month. If you were to put 20% down, that would be a $68,000 down payment, and it brings your principal and interest payment to $1,738 and knocks off your mortgage insurance. So that makes your monthly payment around $25.98 per month. Again, these are ballpark estimates using some mortgage calculators online. I am not a loan officer, I just sells the houses. So guys, this is gonna close us out on our latest house tour in Sherman, Texas. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Do me a favor, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And lastly, if you wanna see what another great North Texas suburb is like, check out this video by clicking here.